equivalent to a booster. You know, we know that word for COVID-19 vaccination. It's the same thing. It's get a booster every year. The flu shot, it raises your immunity.
Dr. Akers points out that in a really bad flu year, as many as 80,000 people can die. Chris Seaton's KNX News 97.1 FM.
A landmark bill that'll make it more difficult to place someone into a court-ordered conservatorship, like the one that prevented Britney Spears from making her own decisions for nearly 14 years, has been signed by Governor Newsom. Under the new law, conservatorships will be a last resort for disabled and elderly people. Instead, supported decision-making, which helps them make their own choices, will be the top option. The measure will also give potential conservatees preference for a selected person responsible for their care and make it easier to end probate conservatorships. It is 12:50. Time to check your money, and for that, we turn to Joe Doniger.
The sale of Twitter to Elon Musk is back on. Musk has confirmed he broke Twitter once again, offering to buy the social media platform at his original offer price. Apparently, after his lawyers decided the case wasn't going well, the move comes 2 days before his scheduled deposition by lawyers this week in the lawsuit brought by Twitter to force him to go ahead with the sale. We'll see if we should start calling it an October stock rally after yesterday's gains of almost 3 to 3 1/3%. Money managers had said the September sell-off was overdone, but some of Wall Street's biggest banks don't think the stock averages have hit their low points. Banks including HSBC and Goldman Sachs say they expect to see the S&P drop another 5% or so by the end of the year. No more hiring in Amazon's retail business for the rest of the year. The New York Times reports Amazon's the latest tech company to pause hiring plans because of growing economic uncertainty. There had been about 20,000 openings posted as of Monday. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Joe Doniger from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Aaron Judge becomes only the third Yankee, only the third American League player to hit 60 home runs, and he now has passed the other two, Babe Ruth and Roger Maris. We'll have more on that story coming up for you in just about 2 minutes. It's 12:50.
When it's moving at the speed of...
Get them. They are...
And a bumper is gone.
Yeah, bumpers are gone.
We got you covered on the ground.
It's normal, baby.
Yeah.
And in the air.
Totally bizarre situation. They're actually walking on the batting line.
KNX News 97.1 FM. The 7 Series of BMW.
Not anymore.
Depends on us. Do you have 3 ex-wives and your current trophy wife wants a life insurance policy 3 times the size of the policies you had to purchase for your previous mistakes? If so, you need to call Big Lou at Term Provider, 800-777-1979. Big Lou is intimately familiar with your problems, and if you're 50 or 60 years old and in reasonably good health, a $1 million policy should only cost about $100 to $200 per month. Big Lou may have a solution for your previous policies as well. You may even save enough money to lighten the load on your new $1 million policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you, except he's only on number 2. Call Term Provider at 800-777-1979. That's 800-777-1979. For $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979. Are you kidding me? Gas prices are up again? Somebody has to do something.
Well, someone did. That's why I use Upside.
Upside? What's that?
It's a free app that pays you back real money for every gallon of gas or diesel you buy. I just earned 25 cents back on every gallon of this tank.
Hold on. So the Upside app is free and you actually get cash back every time you use it? No strings attached?
Yeah, it's awesome. Check it out. It only takes a couple of minutes to sign up. Instead of just watching your dollars go into your tank, start putting money back into your wallet with a free app from Upside. To claim your earned cash, to transfer it to your bank account, PayPal, or gift card. Upside users have already earned over $250 million. Download the free Upside app for cash back on every gallon of gas from Rocket stores and other gas stations in your area. Use promo code UP49 for an extra 25 cents back in your first fill-up. That's promo code UP49 for an extra 25 cents back in your first fill-up at Rocket stores and other gas stations in your area. That's promo code UP49.
At 12:54, an American League record that stood for many decades has now been broken.
In his next to last regular season game, Aaron Judge finally did it. Called on the Yes Network, Judge hit home run number 62 to break the American League single-season record of 61 set by another Yankee, Roger Maris, 61 years ago. The Major League record, 73, is held by Barry Bonds, but his record is dismissed by some because of allegations that Bonds used performance-enhancing drugs.
New poll finds that more than half of all Americans think it's unlikely that today's young people will have better lives than their parents.
Unlike the Partridge Family, more than half of those surveys say raising a family and owning a home is harder to do now than for their parents' generation. About 7 in 10 of those under 30 think home ownership is harder to achieve. Around half of the more than 1,000 adults polled say it's tough to improve their own standard of living, pointing to everything from the economy to factors including parents' wealth, college education, and race. CBS News.
CandyStore.com has released its annual list of most popular Halloween candies by state as we approach the Halloween time period. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, most popular in the country and in California. M&M's came in second in the state, followed by Skittles. Online candy retailer looked at 15 years of sales data, specifically at the month leading up to Halloween, to come up with a list. National Retail Federation predicts Halloween candy spending will hit $3.1 billion this year, which would be a new all-time high. That's a lot of sweets. All right, checking what's coming up for you in just about 5 minutes. We're taking a look at the latest from CBS. President Biden heading to Florida. More on that at the top of the hour. It's 12:55. Traveling and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5. This is Sunny Thomas.
On the 5 north at Osborne, S is in the valley. All lanes are now open. This is, it looks like they took that vehicle off at Carabella. This was an injury crash, and they were holding those right 3 lanes, but that's been all clear through that area. Still a bit slow as everybody picks up speed. We do have a connector closed 5 north to the 118. That will be in place for a little while longer. In Sonoma, the westbound 240.